Today's GoldieBlox video is brought to you by Missing Link. In theaters, April 12th. Oh! Is that a Yeti sound?
No, it's a Bigfoot call.
Oh!
What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and guys, today we're giving back to the big old world that we live on. It's Earth Day hacks! And okay, I feel like the Earth doesn't get enough credit. Like, the Earth is the most important thing ever. Without the Earth, we would not exist. It's time to hack your world. And for our first hack, we have a DIY compost bin. This is the compost bin that my parents have. So basically my parents put like banana peels, coffee grounds, bread, eggshells. Composting is like super good for the environment because the gross food has a lot of nutrients in it and it actually seeps back into the soil to make rich, fertile soil. And like, you might think this might be disgusting, you know, it smells really bad, but I put this charcoal filter on it so you can't even smell it. This charcoal actually does a surprisingly good job of keeping the smell in. This is actually used in cat litter boxes. Mini DIY compost bin. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a coffee can, charcoal filters, a drill, hot glue gun, Sharpie, and some decorative tape. First, have your parents drink all of the coffee from the coffee can and drill the holes into the lid. Next, hot glue the charcoal filter to the top of the lid and trim if necessary. Finally, use the tape and Sharpie to decorate. And you're done! Saving the planet one DIY at a time. Guys, we've established I am not good at gardening. Flashback. The cool thing about this is it won't accidentally water itself with bleach. And the cool thing about like succulents is like they're easier to keep alive, literally while I'm picking out dead ones. Thank you, Flashback. For our next hack, we have sweatshirt gloves. They're gardening gloves made out of a sweatshirt. You would never know. This was a sweatshirt that I kind of grew out of. I didn't really wear it ever. So I recycled it into gloves. These were kind of a mish to make, not gonna lie, because I tried to do it like hand sewing, then I tried to do it with a sewing machine. So then I went back to hand stitching. A little baggy, but hey, they won't get dirt on your hands. Sweatshirt gloves. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need an old sweatshirt, scissors, and a needle and thread. First, turn the sweatshirt inside out and trace the shape of your hand onto the sleeve. Next, cut out your hand shape and sew the two sides together. Finally, trim and turn inside out. Now you're garden ready. I mean, like, these are a great way to cover up your red thumbs. You look like you know what you're doing if you have gloves and a shovel. That's like gardening 101. And that is it for my Earth Day episode. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big green thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs every single Friday. We love you, planet Earth. GoldieBlox, signing off.